Bonjour, hola, ni hao, konnichiwa, kamusta? Hello. So I think you already have an idea, guys, what our tutorial is about. Yep, you got it right. Unity Localization Package. So yep, a little backstory. I was looking for a localization package, I think a month ago, and I find it really hard to have a plugin or a ready-made package for Unity, and one of my colleague suggested the built-in Unity localization package, and I was surprised that it was very easy to use. So yes, first things first, we need to install the Unity localization package. This is a 2020.3.12 F1 version of Unity. In this version of Unity, the localization package is not yet installed on its package manager, on its registry. So for now, let's install it using the package manager. But on the newer version of Unity, I think the localization is already available and you can use it right away from the package manager. Let's make sure to choose the Unity registry. Oh, sorry. We're going to put the link. So git URL, add the link, then just press add. And then you can click the install here in the lower right. You can see my mouse, right? In my case, I already installed the package. That's why the option is remove. But if you're a first time user of this package, you need to install it first and then import. Just like the standard way of importing a Unity package. So yes, I'm going to show you two ways on how to use this localization package. First is by using it directly on Unity UI, and it is surprisingly easy. And the second one is by accessing the raw string from your string table, and you can use it anywhere you want, like the dialogues on your game, like literally anywhere. So for now, let's make a UI canvas and some text message will do. So UI text. Yep, let's make our table. No, sorry, not that one. Yep. Let's make a folder for our localization file so it would be easy for us to look for it. So we're going to make our table right now. So let's say these are UI text. So let's name it UI text. Let's generate our local. I think the local generator, you will choose which languages to include in your table. So of course, the most common one is the English, and I'm gonna use the Filipino as our second localization language. And let's save it here again. And so right now, I think we can already create the table. And so as you can see, there's the key column, there's the column for English, and there's the column for the Filipino language. So the key will be used to reference the string to be pulled from this table. So let's say we're going to use the hello key, or maybe for some coding standard so it would be easily understood by the coder, let's use some key prefix in all keys. In this column, in the English column, you're going to put the string for the English. Let's say your user selected the English language, so all the language in the English column will be displayed in your game. Or maybe you have a Filipino player and he decided to choose the Filipino language, you can have its counterpart in Filipino language. Let's say kamusta. Save it. And now we already have our table. You will be surprised how easy it is to apply in your UI. So Unity already has its localization event for UIs. Yeah, the localization string event. All you gotta do is select the table which we created earlier and the key. So how it works is on every UI, you can assign which key to use for that UI. And Unity will automatically set the string basing on the selected language by your user. So yeah, remember we create the key hello here. You need to have a reference for the string of your UI. So the event knows which UI text to change. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, since the English is our default language, the hello text is already applied. And if you change it to Filipino, it will automatically change to Filipino. So the second way is to directly access the string from the table. I'll provide the script for this very basic code on how to access the strings. I created this script, and it's really easy. All you gotta do is, of course, include the header for the localization settings. And then to get string from our table, the one we created before, you can use this get localized string function. Just pass the table in where you want to get the string and pass the key. Remember the table that we created before, and we can open the table here. This is the key and this is the name of the table. So if you pass this in the function as the table collection name and you pass the key hello, it will return the string depending on the language selected by the user. So if the current selected language is English, it will return hello. And if the current selected language is Filipino, it will return kamusta. So yep, let's test it. Um, let's add a component in this UI localization test. So let's just manually assign the text in which we will assign the string. And as you can also see in my script, I put the event in the space key down press event. So when we press the space, it should change the text. We already add the script, set the reference to the text, where to display the string, and let's try it. Yeah, so I didn't put the setting of the string on the start or on awake. Press space button key press events. When I press space, yeah, because from this script, we get the string that will return by the key hello in our UI text string table. If I change the language to Filipino and I press the space again, it will return the Filipino counterpart. See guys, it's really easy and very convenient to use. And for a little bonus for you guys, I'll show you how to change the language via script. The changing option for language in the upper right that you see earlier is just for editor inside Unity editor. Yeah, so I think it would be very helpful to you guys if I show you how to change it via script. And surprisingly, it was very easy again. Yep, I think you can see my script. Okay, so how I did it, I just created a function to set the local, and yeah, localization settings already have available locals for the one we set before, the English and the Filipino. So you can access it like it was a list. You can access it via index. So that's it. If I press key, it will be set to English language. If I press F, it will be set to Filipino language. And let's see it in action. Yep, so as you can see, yeah, this one is provided by Unity but is only available in editor. So the script I'm showing you is for you guys to change the language via script. So yeah, I press space first. So the string is loaded and yep, our default language is English. And rather than clicking it, I can press the E to make it English, set it in English language, or I can press the F to set it in Filipino language. Let's test it. Pressing the E, hello, because it's on English. And pressing F, and then I press the space again, it will be set to Filipino. You see guys, if I press E and F, this one change. Okay. And the event for our UI to apply the new language is I press this space button. And yep, that's it. I hope you find this tutorial very helpful and you can use it in your projects. See you next time. See you in my next video.